Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. If we write how to earn money and search on Google, then lots of searches are there. Earn money online from home and earn 1,000 to 5,000 per day US dollar. Then we are click this vlog and find out what is their important thing. Welcome to online data entry job. Lots of options are there. Find free data entry jobs and rules are there. You can read, but we are not searching data entry job. I am also searching online job, then work from home job, or I am searching survey job. Yet that's this thing I am searching survey job. Then I want to see what is behind. Fill simple survey forms from your mobile or computer and get paid. Earn to 500 per survey. Let's see what happened. Okay, I think your next job is here. Earn 17 to 65 per hour. Okay, survey job is job description. Answer simple question and earn money. Participate in survey that you are interested. Fill simple online form and earn reward. Just you need to update your survey profile and interested topics regularly. You will be getting survey invitations based on your survey profile. All available survey will be listed in the member area. You can choose them as per your preference. Earn money to complete them successfully. Survey form are so easy, and they said no accuracy need to the job. Earn cash reward. Withdraw rewards as cash, and earn up to 500 per survey. Join up 20 survey a day. Basic computer knowledge is enough to participate in survey. Pick your own favorite surveys. Complete survey at your own free time. uh, Fill survey form from your laptop or mobile. Earn money to give your opinion. Get survey invitation by email. Play with your friends and family. Join survey for free. No investment needed in the job. Get instant reward after survey. Withdraw your reward every day. Get rewards from RS50 to 50 Oh, it's not USD, it's PKR. Check your reward report in the member area 24/7. What is survey job, and it's more. Explain how to activate free survey job. Click here to apply, and we are click there. Join now for free. Full name, email address, password, and that's it. Submit, and you can apply for this. Full name, email address, and password create, and you are joining the survey report. It's basically survey job. Let's see, we are back. How to activate free survey job. It's so you are earn online, so data entry or survey job. I think most easiest job is survey job. You can apply it. Thank you. Oh yes, come back. Please subscribe my channel. I need your support. Thank you. Take care. Bye.